Welcome to my cluttered garage. This is my throttle body out of my Polaris RMK 2005 900 snowmobile. Normally these are mounted together with this plate, demonstrated here, these screws. These bars, as you can see, they're all steel. Then they have a bar that runs through them to hold them together, and they mount in here and here and here and here. So my thing is, maybe I could shed some weight and turn them into aluminum. And it turns out I can only get a difference of, focus you, 4.7 ounces. Better than nothing, but hey, aluminum or aluminium, you can actually make it shine and look pretty. This is a little scratchy, but I didn't go through all the sandpaper, I just went to 1,000. But as you can see, I got one more to build. What sucks is you got to increase the length of your screws, because you don't want to lose your strength of steel, or tensile strength, thicknesses I mean. You can use a nice thin piece of steel, but when you go to aluminum, you got to thicken it. I didn't do the math, I'm paranoid, so I just chose to go kind of thick. Maybe I could shave some off, but I still want it to be strong. Anyway, this is just an idea for the 2005 RMK 900. The only reason I started doing this project is because I had to replace a stator, and it ended up being taking apart the whole machine. So I may as well put it back together and do each piece. Thank you.